This is the classic Italian tiramisu recipe from the 80s, just as we made it in Italy. Welcome to your guardian chef, your angel in the kitchen. Today we are making the tiramisu of our teenage parties and family gatherings. Simple, quick and authentic. The tiramisu is a relatively new Italian dessert crafted in the 70s by pastry chef Lolli Linguanotto in Treviso. Its simplicity made it an instant favourite across Italy, especially among young teenagers like us who loved making it for parties in the 80s because it was so easy to put together. These are the ingredients you need. The measurements are in the description below. Cream is notably absent in authentic tiramisu because mascarpone is already made from cream, providing all the necessary richness. Adding extra cream is completely unnecessary and would make the dessert too heavy. Before you start, allocate at least 3 to 4 hours of resting time before serving. Make the espresso coffee 1 hour ahead of time and use decaf if serving to children. It's essential to let the espresso cool completely before soaking the ladyfingers. Do not use French press coffee as it will be too watery. Bring the eggs to room temperature. The classic recipe uses raw eggs, so buy unpasteurized eggs if you are concerned. Once the coffee is cold, prepare the mascarpone cream, not before. Whisk the egg yolks with the sugar until the mixture becomes pale and slightly bubbly. Tiramisu must be assembled as soon as the cream is ready to maintain its fluffiness. Using an electric mixer, whisk the egg whites until they form soft peaks. Gently fold the mascarpone into the egg yolk mixture until smooth and well combined. Mix the whipped ingredients carefully to keep the cream airy, preserving the light texture that makes tiramisu so delicate. Now we are ready to assemble the tiramisu. Briefly dip the savoiardi in the cold coffee, just enough to coat without soaking them through. If you dip them for too long, they will disintegrate. A splash of rum was traditionally added to the coffee, partly because it was thought to sanitize the raw eggs. It's optional. I never do. Arrange a layer of soaked savoiardi in your serving dish. Spread a layer of the mascarpone cream over the savoiardi. Add a second layer of dipped savoiardi, then another layer of cream on top. I like to use a square or rectangular glass container. Using this shape allows the savoiardi to fit neatly without needing to break them, creating clean layers. A glass container also showcases the beautiful layers and enhances presentation. Cover with cling film and refrigerate for at least 3 hours to set. Dust the cocoa powder just before serving it so it doesn't absorb moisture from the cream. Serve tiramisu at its best. Take it out of the fridge just before serving to keep the layers nicely set. For a perfect pairing, serve with a glass of homemade liquor, such as a velvety limoncello, a rich chocolate liqueur, or a delicate homemade nocino. For more Italian dessert recipes and the way we make them in Italy, check out the playlist above. And don't forget to subscribe! Do you remember? We used to have mimosa cake with rum at children's birthday parties. What were they thinking?